Hey guys, what's up? So I am on here. I'm gonna post my Boxycharms. I'm so excited. Here is my base box, and I just got my premium box yesterday. I got it open. I just got this, so I did not open this yet. But my Boxycharm base, I pay every 3 months, and then my premium I pay every month. So I know month to month for the base box is $27.99, I believe, and then of course if you do the 3 months, it's like between $75-$79 every 3 months, and then this is like almost like over like $40. But we're gonna start off with the base box. Like I said, it is every 3 months I pay for this, and it's like $75-ish, between 75 and 78. But every month it is, holy crap, there's a hole right here. Every month it's $27.99. You get 5 to 7 items in here, and yeah, pretty much it. Here is the card. It's called Status O. I have no idea. Here's the prices, and let's get started. Okay, first things first, I am pulling out of here is Kinder Beauty Kind Bronze. I feel like I've been getting a lot of bronzers in my boxes lately, but hey, you know what? It's whatever. Wow, that's so cute. I like that. So this retails for $19. Holy crap. Ew. And then here is the bronzer. I don't know if this is going to be quite my shade, but I mean, willing to give this a try. So that's $18. Or $19, I'm sorry. After my unboxings, I am going to do a try-on soon, I hope. Yeah. This is Tresloose. I feel like we've been getting a lot of this. A lot of their brands in here. This brand in here a lot. And this is this what a liquid lip tint. Wow, that smells wonderful. And that's $18. Yeah, there's not much. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a whole try-on with the boxes here. I'm gonna try to do it today if I can, but who knows. Phase Zero, this is the, I think this is a palette. $40 for this palette. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. I thought it was a bronzer. Shades are really pretty, very neutral. They're like really nice and soft, so I mean, yeah. What the heck? Eloise luxury eyeshadow brushes, which retails for $22. Holy crap. For 4 brushes? Are you guys insane? Like, look at look at that. Those are so cute. These kind of remind me of like little kid brushes, like younger kid brushes. It's cute. Okay. So they sent me an email saying, hey, you got a repeat item. I know what my repeat item is. I got this like not that long ago, Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I have not honestly tried it, but maybe I'll give it a try since there's a double. I have been getting into a lot of skincare, so I mean, that's kind of nice. And then here is my premium, this Juice Beauty is $72. Wow, I don't even pay that much money for some skincare. Maybe like an entire set of skincare, but not just one particular item. Here is my premium box card, status O, and ooh, I'm excited for this. Avant. This is the, wow, $110. Oh my gosh. This better be like magic or something. I mean, like seriously, $110 for blue volcanic stone purifying and anti-oxidizing cleansing gel. This isn't even a big tube of skincare. Like seriously? $110. This better be blue gold or something. I don't know. But my gosh. Whoa. Alright. That kind of got me off. Like, geez. I think this was my choice. And I got this Uma Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. There wasn't... Their choices are not the greatest, honestly. But there's that. I don't even... What's up with people putting brown lipsticks in anything? Like, why? But that's $24. Like, why would people do that? Like, why you should be putting like not a bright pink bold lipstick in there, but I mean, like, dang, like, come on, people. The Iconic London Matte, I don't know, sculpting palette. Packaging is like bright, not bright, but like shiny. But oh, these are creams. Oh no. This is $49. I'm not much of a cream person. I mean, every now and again, yes, I do try it out, but I just, whew. But that retails for $49. All right, another, it looks like skincare. Wait, I got this. Okay, so they should have, I already got this. They should have given me another email saying that, hey, we gave you 2 items that are the same. I mean, like, come on. See, that's what it looks like. I haven't really used it that much. I do plan to. I just, I mean, technically you can use this for a primer, and I'm not going to use it quite yet. I do plan to, I just haven't really done it yet. Just have not. Okay. Luxie, these are sponges. I like sponges. Love them. Oops. Ooh, these are nice. And these, wow, $40 for 2 sponges. I mean, they seem to be great, but I don't think I would pay $40. All right, this is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism palette, the new one that just came out, and I will show you mine. I might do like a small giveaway, I don't know yet. But this, I'm like looking at my eyeshadow, making sure it's okay. But this is the Nude Prism palette. It's basically a neutral shade. neutral palette. Has like pinks and browns. It's dirty, I'm sorry. But it is a really pretty palette. But yeah, very nice. This retails for $48. So, I mean, of course, I think, yeah. Not yet, but I will do a giveaway. So far, I think what I'm gonna do is I'll add a few more things to the box. If anyone is interested at all in wanting to win a few things, of course, make sure that you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. But so far, I'm gonna add a few items in here. I will announce it soon. I just don't know when yet. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to do a try on with these products, and I hope you all liked it. I will do the prices in the description if I can, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.